This is mind-blowing. Bruce Campbell, a 64-year-old retired electrical engineer, turned an old airplane into his home. When he was in his early 20s, he bought this piece of land, that is 10-acre land, at a cost of 23,000 US dollars, with the clear vision of turning something useless into something useful. Hence his dream. His dream, or his inspirations, were informed or were triggered by a woman from Mississippi called Joan Usery. She had her home burnt down, so therefore she turned a 727 Boeing into her home, and this triggered the dreams of Bruce Campbell. Bruce Campbell is someone who loved tinkering with old objects. He loved to play with old objects. He loved to turn old objects into something useful or something new. So he ended up, after retiring from electrical engineering, he got an old plane, placed it on the land he bought in his early 20s, and then he turned it into a home. When you enter the toilet, bath, everything that is needed in a home is also there. It has all the features of a good home. This is mind-blowing, and it has never happened on earth before. Anticipate to see the video. The video will be uploaded in the next episode. Thank you.